This video will talk you through using dimension templates when creating a matrix item. Go to Menu. Click on Items. Find the item you want to view and click on Edit. Scroll down to Add Dimensions and Create or Manage Matrix Items. Within Dimension 1, click Apply and Manage Template. Click on Create New Template. This will ask for a name. Enter the relevant information. Click Done. This will open the ability to create the size run for those products. Click New and provide relevant information within the text fields. Click Save Changes on completion. Click Done. On the drop-down menu, you will now be able to select the template you've just created and click Apply Selected. This will then assign the template to a dimension. Click Save Changes. To implement this, click on Generate Matrix Items. This will create your items within the matrix, based on the matrix lookup code and the code from the dimension set.